Welcome to the in front of me ASUS ROG Phone 5S, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go to the settings and here tap to the sounds and vibration section. Now just scroll a little bit down and here you'll see the notification sound. Just tap here on this section and here you can see and select one from the availables. Okay, we can hear that because our ringtone volume is deactivated. Now we'll turn it on and now we can hear and select one from the notification sounds. For example, we can go with this one, or we can select the tones one, for example. And now just to see the changes, go back, and as can you see, our notification sound has changed successfully to the tones one. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.